Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can change font size on Android phone. So let's get to it. First of all, open your settings application on your phone, and after that you have to scroll down your screen until you find display setting, and this is the display setting, so just click on it. And after that we can click on font size and style right here, and this is the font size setting. And if you want to make your font larger, you just need to go right like this to make your font larger, and if you want to make it smaller, you just need to go left like this. And I'm going to make it larger, so I'm going to go right like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can change font size on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.